How to scan QR code in Telegram to join a group. So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll show you guys on how to scan a QR code in Telegram so that you can join a group chat. So without further ado, let us begin. So for example, I have a group chat that I made right here, and then I have added the QR code in this group chat. So what you need to do first is to just download the QR code. So just click on the three dots right here and then just click on save image. After saving the image, it will now be saved in your gallery. And then after that, what you want to do is just open up Google, and then after opening up Google, just click on the Google Lens option right here and then just click on images. Scroll down until you see the QR code that you've saved. Click on that. And as you can see, Google Lens has already scanned the QR code. So as you can see over here, it will redirect me to a website. So just click on website right there, and then there you go. You will now be joined in the group chat in Telegram. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to scan a QR code in Telegram so that you can join group chats. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.